Veraj, you've got so many Hulks, huh? How come you have so many Hulks?
I love Hulk. How squishy Hulk is.
Oh my god, that squishes a lot. Get it close to the camera. Stretch it. That seems like awesome. What is it made of?
Yeah, so jelly.
A jelly. Whoa.
And it also squishes on the ground.
It also squishes on the
And
ground.
you can also do this. You can easily take off a pants. You can.
Why do you want to take off Hulk's pants, huh? Naughty. You've got another squishy one.
Yeah, but bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
That is really cool. Oh my god. That squishes even more.
Yeah.
So which one is your favorite Hulk toy? Or you love all of them?
I love all of them.
Okay, show us some of them. Show us the big green one, that one.
This.
Yes.
These.
You show it, get it close to the camera. That seems very heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Is it very heavy?
You can probably like then take off the hands.
Okay.
Touch it. And then it makes noise. Can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear. It noises, it creaks. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is like really heavy.
The legs move like this.
Show us his face, huh? Oh, Hulk smash! How does Hulk say?
Hulk smash camera.
Hulk smash camera, no camera, Hulk smash.
Smash.
Don't smash. What's the Avenger one, huh? This was in the Avengers. Oh my god, he has the Infinity Gauntlet as well. That is so cool.
And we press this button.
Do that again. That is
I
super
always
cool.
wanted to be the hero.
Hulk always wanted to be the hero. Hulk smash. Does this also? Whoa! Look at his arm. He seems very powerful.
Yeah.
Make them fight against each other, huh? The Avenger Hulk and
Let's play a
the
game
Green Hulk.
of who is smarter.
This one.
Yeah.
I win.
But this is a little bit bigger.
This is what?
Little bit bigger.
Little bit bigger. Who'll win?
You already won.
He already won in one punch. That's not fair.
We've up.
Fight again, huh?
No, we don't want to fight again.
Why?
Hulk out.
Hulk says Hulk out.
Hulk says Hulk out.
This fast camera.
No, don't smash. Don't smash. Don't smash. Whoa. That is like cool. Do that again. Show us.
Hulk smash.
His arm is super powerful.
And see this. Big heart.
Let's play a game of who is smarter.
He is also an Avengers Hulk.
Yeah. And see this. This is light.
Oh, that is cool.
And you see, it also
Magic ka pass mo.
has a Hulk. It also has a Hulk flashlight. And
Oh wait, this Hulk dances as well.
no, it doesn't dance. It has a Hulk sign also. You know, to watch.
Hmm.
See this?
Yeah.
See that?
Wow.
Just see the bed. See the bed. See.
I'm seeing.
Just see.
Yeah. It's showing lights, huh?
And see this? The wrist also glow.
Yeah.
Probably open by this button.
Okay. Cool. Show us the Hulk Buster now.
The Hulk Buster feet.
Whoa.
You can only like take it off. And
Tom. Oh my god.
the
So
head.
what Whoa. It's not Hulk inside, there's someone else. See? It's Black Panther? What is Black Panther doing inside?
And that, right? That.
That is cool.
The back hand. The arms go like this. Goes all the way here.
Whoa. That is really cool.
We can the legs.
Should we show that you have a bigger Hulkbuster? This is a big Hulkbuster.
See this?
It's not even coming in the camera, it's that big. Whoa!
Can turn into a playset for Avengers.
It can turn into a playset for Avengers. Wow.
See this?
It moves completely.
And see this.
Whoa.
Now the computer set. Now the blaster.
It has a blaster as well. That's cool.
That's the biggest Hulk.
Which one? Show me that one, Veraj. Those powerful ones. That has a different dress. That Hulk.
This one.
Yeah, show me. Show us.
It has an armor.
It has an armor. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought it was a.
See this?
Hmm.
It has spikes. Don't even have more. Last time this broke.
Hmm.
The finger.
His finger broke. You were playing and his finger broke. Yeah, I can see that.
It's getting broken.
Hmm. He has white paint on his head, huh? Is he a mighty warrior?
Yeah. This is this.
Hmm.
And head don't go all around.
Hmm.
Leg moves like this.
Hmm.
His leg go all around.
Hmm.
And his arms go all around.
Tie.
Yeah, like arms go all around. Let's break it.
Why do you want to? Don't break him.
Okay. So let's keep it on
Hmm.
and let's
Do people know that you have another Hulk as well? You have a surprise for us. Hmm. What surprise do you have?
I can see it.
What surprise do you have? What? Say that loud.
I have the biggest Hulk.
Biggest Hulk?
Biggest!
Whoa! Get it on the bed. Oh my god. That is huge.
It's even huger than the Hulkbuster.
It's as tall as you almost, Viraj. Show us. Lift it up. Oh, is it heavy?
No, not that much.
Not that much. It's because you are very powerful, huh?
How can I put
Show us on the camera.
with one hand?
Whoa.
It also
Put it against the others. Let's see how big is it. Oh my god. That is super big.
yeah. It's also bigger than this Hulk. So,
That other Hulk is so small in comparison to this. Viraj, this Hulk is almost as tall as you. Whoa. Just look at him.
It's also bigger.
What?
It's also bigger than the giant Hulkbuster.
How does he say Hulk smash?
Hulk smash!
Oh. That was loud.
And now some other Hulks left.
This bed is full of Hulks.
Yeah.
Hulk, and Hulk everywhere.
And
This Hulk looks not like Hulk, it's someone else. Or is it?
this Hulk.
It's Hulk only.
It's smaller than this Hulkbuster.
Ah.
See this? The Hulkbuster is more bigger.
Mm.
Just almost half bigger than.
Mm. So those were a lot of toys, Viraj. Those were a lot of toys, huh? So many Hulks?
See this Hulk.
Okay.
Legs move like this. Can
So I think people are going to be very jealous of how many Hulks you have, Viraji. Yeah?
this move
This moves?
and head goes. Hope you love the super Hulk collection.
Hi friends! Did you see all of Viraj's toys? All of Viraj's Hulks? There are so many of them, huh?
There's super duper of them.
Super duper of them.
Yeah.
Hope you liked his collection and we're going to buy even more Hulk toys, huh? Viraji?
No, I have all the Hulk.
You have all the Hulks. Okay. So hope you liked our video. Hope you enjoyed Viraj playing with his Hulks. What are you doing, Banner? Come here. Hope you liked his collection and this video. Please like if you did. And see you next time.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. Subscribe as well to our channel, please. It will be of great
and
help.
give a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
And ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Bye.
Bye.